Hello adventurers, welcome to another video with Bu Zayed. Today we have a product review, one you will like, and before that let's have a look where I am right now. The weather is amazing. So the product I want to talk to you about today is phone holder and a GoPro holder, since that's two of the most things that off-roaders use, including myself. We're going to review it. I was looking for a long time for a phone mount that can hold the phone really steady, especially when I go over these really hard bumps, and I couldn't find one that satisfied me. Every one that I tried will always fail. Either the whole mount will come out because of the weight of the phone, or if it's a magnet, then the weight of the phone will push it out of the magnet and it will fall down and damage the phone. So this is an example of one of the mountings I have, is the magnetic one. So this one goes into the CD slot. Since, well, I don't use CD anymore, I don't know if anybody else does. I always link my Bluetooth to the car audio or use a USB instead. So the thing is, when I try to mount my phone, I mean, it looks nice, right? But then when I go over the bumps, then phone just falls down, and many times can actually damage the phone. Luckily I have this case on my phone, and then whenever I go on the trail, you really don't want your phone to basically be falling around under your feet while driving and all of that. It can be dangerous actually. So when I looked around, I found a product that is good, I think, from the reviews I saw, and also have a good price tag to it. And this one is the Bulletproof. So you have their website here, Bulletproof mounts. I saw a really good reviews about it, so I thought to give it a try. Sorry guys if my voice is going away, it's because I have the wind blowing. So what I'll do now is I'll open the box, see what we have inside, and then I'll show you how to install it in the car. Alright guys, so this is the box as I showed you. It was shipped to me from New York. Let's get the knife out and open the box to see what's inside. Here we go. So they have their sticker, which is basically, it's the US flag. Well, some paperwork, I don't know who reads that. And this is what's in the box. So this is the two ball mountings that we mount over there. They have the phone holder. Oh my god, it's heavy actually. It's purely metal, and again their logo is there. You have the GoPro mount over here, as well as the screw and the nut for it. And again, it's heavy, it's metal, it looks really good quality. Over here we have the fiber arm, very heavy. Let's see, there is an opening here. Well, that doesn't come out, it's just like that. So it can hold up the phone as well into the mounting. And they also sent me this, which is, well, it's a simple, there's their logo. Actually, oh, okay. So it's a bullet, and it can open bottles as well. That's cool. That looks nice. I'll keep that. It's a bottle opener. Not gonna need it for the installation. So this is what's in the box, and we will go now and install it on the car. So let's do that. Alright guys, so for this installation, what you need is basically you need to remove that rubber piece over here and get a 7mm socket for the screw over here, and then just remove that screw. It will easily come out. What you need to do now is basically you see this double bolt mount that have a double side sticker on each side. So what you need to do is basically mount that side over here, and the bottom one obviously will go down, and there is a hole for the screw to come in. So just peel it off. Over here. And what I'll do, just to make sure that I am doing it right, I'll put the screw in and then mount the two balls, just to make sure that I'm aligning it up, and just push a little bit so the adhesive can stick really strong to the plastic, and then bring your socket and tighten up the screw. You don't have to tighten it really hard, it's just tight enough because you don't want to damage the plastic of the car. Now that's solid. Next, what we will do is we will add the the arm for the phone. So just loosen the nut over here, lose some more till you can get the ball inside. There we go. And now we can tighten it up. That should be enough. And then next we'll do the GoPro one. Again, same concept. However, make sure the screw handle is on the other side, so it doesn't get difficult screwing it up on this side. So turn on that side, loosen it up until, there we go, and tighten it. It's very easy actually. So the upper part of the GoPro can actually rotate, so it doesn't matter really which side you put it. So you can make it tight over here, over here. I'll add the screw for the GoPro. Put the nut on the other side. This one over here. Tighten it up. And now what we'll do for the final part, I'll install the phone mount over here. Same concept. Loosen the clamp for the ball until it can hold the ball, and then tighten it up. And we are done. It's as simple as that. So here's the mounting after we installed it. It looks really solid actually. So what I'll do now, just to test it up, I'll put my phone and I'll go above some of the trails and try to hit a really hard bumps and see how does the phone hold, so you guys can see it with me firsthand. Let's hit some trails. Hey guys, so mounting is on, phone is on the mounting, and four-wheel is engaged, traction control, ABS is deactivated, gear on first. Let's go hit some dunes and see the performance of this mounting and see how tough it is. Let's go. And music on. Let's put the radio on. Honestly guys, I'm loving this mountain. As you saw, it held the phone really good, although we went above really bumpy trails. We went up the dunes, down. It held it position really good. I really recommend it. I'm not sponsored by Bulletproof by all means. I bought it with my own money. This is just my honest review. And if you're on Jeep JK and you're looking for a mountain that will hold you for really good on the trail, as well as your GoPro, then by all means go and get the Bulletproof one. There is another option for a magnet phone holder if you want to, if that's something you would like. So they have this option as well. So you will find the link to Amazon product page. You'll find the link to the Amazon product page where I bought it from under this video. So happy shopping and see you on the next product review. This is Bu Zayed. Keep exploring the world and see you on the next adventure. Goodbye.